What's up, guys? Zach here with Workout Anytime on Merritt Island, and today I want to show you about a piece of equipment that some of you may or may not know how to use. This is our hand crank, which is great for warming up the shoulders, rehabbing the shoulders. If you want to work in some HIIT cardio with the upper body, it's a great alternative for that also. And essentially it's just a hand crank that's going to give you resistance in whatever direction you want to go. And you can use it standing up. If you want to sit down while you do it and alternate twists right like that, that's an option. If you want to increase or decrease the resistance, there's a knob up here on top that can make it easier or harder. Alternatively, if you want to work it from the other side, there's a lever down here in the center that you can flip, turn it, and now you can have resistance moving in the other direction. And last but not least, this lever on top here is going to allow you to change the angle that it's actually sitting. So if you want to lower it a little bit, you can get resistance at a lower angle, or alternatively, you can raise it up and get a little bit higher with it. So again, this is our hand crank. If you ever have questions on it, grab one of us staff members. We'll be happy to help you. Other than that, have a great day.